How to go live on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you go live on Instagram. So in order to go live on Instagram, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is first thing first, open the Instagram application and also make sure to update the app to the latest version. If you've not updated the app, then head over to your respective app store and update it. After you're done completely updating the application, you then need to go ahead and open up your profile section by tapping the profile icon and click on the plus icon from the left or right hand side corner of your screen. And there you have these sections, post, AI, all that, right? So you could go ahead and click on the live section, or you could just go to your story section and then open up the camera, and then here you will be able to find the a live video or go live section. So you could then go ahead and click on the button in order to go live. And also you need to understand that only Instagram user who have a public account with 1000 followers or more will be able to go or start a live broadcast. The ability to start a live broadcast is off by default for teen account as well. So you have to understand that, and this is the way you could go live on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.